So sudo vi /etc/ssh/sshd configuration. Okay, so in this file, to type anything, you have to first press the insert key on your keyboard. Okay, see, as you can see now it is showing insert. So go just search for these things. Yeah, this one, password authentication. Right here, what it is mentioned over here? It is mentioned as no, so you have to make it as yes. Okay, then escape button, shift : WQ, escape, shift : WQ, and press enter. Right, so what I'll do is I'll just exit from this user. Now we were having Ubuntu as a user. Now I will be connecting as King as the user, and I am not going to give any password as well. Remember, we have given the password at the initial stage to connect to this machine, but now we are not giving any password. We are just mentioning SSH. The username is King @ of, what is the URL? I'm sorry, what is the IP address? IP address is 65.1.100.176. right? Press enter. Are you able to connect? No, permission is getting denied. So what is the error that we have done? Yeah, so friends, we have given the permissions, but we have not restarted the services, isn't it? So whenever you give this command sshd, you have to restart the services. So you will be using the command sudo systemctl restart ssh services. Okay, or you can just mention ssh, that's not a problem. Press enter. Now you have given the permission and you have restarted the services. So now you can make an exit. Now enter the same command. Oh, I think something went wrong. So basically I'll open the new terminal, not a problem. Just right click over here, enter new window. So are we able to connect, friends? No, because we have not given the, just paste over here. SSH, just clear the screen first, then type. I hope you are able to view it, friends. Okay, so SSH space username, that is King @ what is the URL? 65.1. Is it fine? Okay, now I'll pressing enter key. See, it is asking for the password only for the first time to ask. Now you can see the username is King. Now what you have to do whenever you log in with a new user, right, you have to type sudo apt update to get the complete rights. Pressing enter key, it is getting all the packages. Now you also have the user. So what we can do is we have to install the Ansible over here. So what you will do is you will go to the Google, you will type install Ansible on Ubuntu. So you will be able to find all the steps. Go over here. This is the official document of Ansible. Installing Ansible on Ubuntu. So these are the steps, friends. Hope you are able to view it. So sudo apt update we have already typed, so I am not typing it. So from here you have to copy, not the dollar sign. Dollar sign is stating that you have to type all these commands on user. So king is a user, so this is the first command I am using. Okay, and another command is this one. Just copy and paste it over here, friends. Enter key. Now next step is this one. So I am just adding space -y because without -y, if I type and keep enter, it will ask me whether I want to continue or not again. So to avoid that step, I am typing -y, friends. So I am keeping enter key over here. It is getting installed. Progress is 15%. %. %. It's taking little more time. Meanwhile, we can also open a new terminal if you want. Just click over here or right click, new window. Okay, but it is already done. So what we'll do is we will check whether the Ansible has been downloaded. So Ansible, how do you check the version? --, version. This is the command. So are you able to find, friends? Yeah, Ansible code 2.12.9 is the version which is already downloaded. There is the file details and everything is there available over here. So now what we'll do is we'll make an exit over here because Ansible is already downloaded. We will go to the other node, other machine. So we need to do some settings in the second machine as well. So just click over here. This is our node, the normal machine. This is the IP address. Just copy this IP address. What is the you have to use the command ssh-i. Now you have to tell, friends, what I need to do over here. Yes, you are right. We have to give the password, that is ~download/ansible key pair. Last time we did some mistakes, we want to avoid that. Yeah, okay, .pem. And what is the username? Okay, there is something wrong going on. Okay, I'll open the new terminal. We are facing some issue with this, friends. Okay, okay, ssh space hyphen I and tilde slash. In download file there is file called as Ansible key pairs .pem, and our username is Ubuntu because it is a Ubuntu machine. At the rate of IP address of the local node, we just have to make the press enter. You have to give yes over here, right? You have to type yes friends over here. Now we have got the user Ubuntu. Now we are into the user Ubuntu. Okay, so whenever we log in with the new user, what we will do, we will give the command sudo apt update true. Okay, so basically we have to give the same username to access the Ansible keynote. So here also I am giving the sudo at user. What is the username we have given in that machine? King, correct. It will be asking for the password. I am entering king. Okay, so basically these steps we have already done, so I am just rushing. Okay, so what else we need to do? We need to give the permissions to the user to log in from anywhere. So for that, what we have to do? Yes, sudo vi sudo enter. This is the nano editor. So in nano editor we don't have to use the command of, like the insert machine. Insert button is not required. Just go over here, type the username, whatever the name you have given, and follow whatever the steps written over here. What else we need to add from our side? Correct, no password. All this should be in capital letters. How do we go exit? Control X and yes, enter. That's it. And what are the other permissions we have to give? Sudo vi slash etc, correct, slash ssh slash sshd configuration. Okay, here what, this is a vi editor. So what we have to do, press the insert button. After you press the insert button, you will be able to see over here insert, check for password authentication. In yellow color you can see this no, you have to delete and make it as yes. Then what you will do? Okay, how do we come out of it? Press the escape button, then shift colon WQ. Press enter, right? And after that, what we have to do? Sudo systemctl restart SSH services. Press enter, make an exit, just check whether this is working or not. So what you'll do, SSH username is king, and what is the IP address of this machine? I'm just copying it. Okay friends, so just copy this, make an enter, password is king.